Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE SNACK PAN ASSM part #WR32X26244. GE SNACK PAN ASSM part #WR32X26244 is a replacement part for a GE refrigerator. It is the snack pan assembly, which is located in the refrigerator door. This part includes the pan, handle, and screws. The snack pan assembly helps to keep food items organized and easily accessible in the refrigerator door. It also helps to keep food items from spilling out of the door when it is opened and closed. The part number WR32X26244 is specific to certain GE refrigerator models. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace a damaged or malfunctioning snack pan assembly in a refrigerator. It can fix symptoms such as the snack pan not fitting properly or the snack pan not staying in place. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the lower access panel located at the bottom of the refrigerator. 3. Remove any screws that are holding the snack pan in place. 4. Carefully remove the old snack pan and discard it. 5. Place the new snack pan in place and secure it with any screws that were removed earlier. 6. Replace the lower access panel and plug in the refrigerator to its wall outlet. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsIPS.com to order residential appliance parts.